Minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Again it's class 8, subject mathematics, chapter linear equations in one variable, and today we are going to start exercise 2.2. So let's start with our question number 1. Question number 1 is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What's the number? That means here we don't actually know the number. So let's put that number to be equal to x and subtract 1 by 2 from that number, and then we will then multiply the whole result by 1 by 2, and according to question it becomes equal to 1 by 8. So let's start. Let that number be equal to x. According to question, we have to subtract 1 by 2 from this number. That means we have to subtract 1 by 2 from this x, and we have to multiply the whole result by 1 by 2, and we will get 1 by 8. So let's first solve the this part of the equation. It is here we have to do the cross multiplication. 2 into x is 2x minus 1 divided by 2 multiply by 1 by 2, which as per the question is equal to 1 by 8. Again we have to multiply this this expression with 1 by 2. 2x into 1 is equal to 2x minus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. It's equal to 1 by 8. Now there are now two rational numbers on both sides of the equation. This is LHS and this is RHS. To get the value of this x, or to get the value of this number, we will do one thing. We will cross multiply these rational numbers. So 8 will be multiplied with 2x into 1. 8 into 2 is 16, and we have here the variable x. Minus 8 ones is 8 is equal to 4 ones is 4. Dear students, as you know, in case of is equal to, when there is equality sign between two rational numbers, so this time we will cross multiply like this ways, and not these denominators. So we will, after multiplication, we get this equation. Again we will put constant terms on one side and the variable and coefficient on the other side. It's 16x is equal to 4. When we transfer this minus 8 to other side of the equation, it will become plus 8, and we will get the equation as 16x is equal to 8 plus 4 is 12. X will be equal to 12, and this 16 will come out in division, and we will get the result as 4 3s 12, 4 4 16, and we will get the value of this number as 3 by 4. So therefore the number will be equal to 3 by 4. That means if we subtract 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 from 3 by 4, and multiply this whole result by 1 by 2, we will get 1 by 8. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. What are the lengths? What are the length and breadth of the pool? We know perimeter of any shape or any figure is equal to sum of its sides. Here in case of rectangle, we know rectangle has 4 sides, and perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice of length plus breadth. But here perimeter is given, which is equal to 1.4 not 154 meter, and length is 2 times more than the breadth. 2 times more than the breadth, but we do neither we know length nor we know breadth. So let us put the breadth is equal to x. Let the breadth of the perimeter, let the breadth breadth of the rectangular pool, breadth of the rectangle be equal to x. When we put this breadth of the rectangle to be equal to x, then we can calculate its length. As per question, length is 2 more than twice its breadth. So if length is equal, if we have put breadth to be equal to x, then length will be equal to 2x plus 2, because as per the question, length is 2 more than twice the breadth. So if breadth is x, length is 2x plus 2. Now according to question, as we know perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice of length plus breadth. So twice of length plus breadth is equal to 154, because here length, this perimeter is given. We can write twice of, in place of length we will write 2x plus 2, and in place of breadth we will write this x. It is equal to 154. So let's first solve this part of the equation. 2 into 2x plus x, it is 3x plus 2 is equal to 154. We can write, now we will multiply this part of the equation by 2. 3 to 6, it will be 6x plus 2 to 4 equal to 154. Or we can write it as 6x is equal to 154. We will transfer this plus 4 to other side of the equation. It will get changed into minus 4. So we will get 6x is equal to 150. X will be equal to 150 divided by 6. First we will multiply this rational number by 3. 3 to 6, 3 5 is 15, 3 0 0. 2 1s 2, 2 2s 4, it will become 10, 2 5 is 10. Therefore, we can write it here as x is equal to 25 meter. This x is actually breadth of the rectangle. So breadth will be equal to 25 meter. Therefore, length will be equal to, length is 2x plus 2, that means length will be 2 into, in place of x we will write 25 plus 2. 25 into 2 is 50 plus 2, which will be equal to 52 meter.